feelers, malamig na gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome to another episode of May Kaya Kayo. Charis! Welcome to another episode of Feelings Explained. So, feelers, you know the drill. Follow us on all our social media channels. That's at Feelings, XPLAINED on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also, there's a 5-star button there on Spotify. Hit that.
Also, hit the bell button so you will be notified for our next episodes. We release new episodes every Friday, and be a certified feeler today by subscribing to our YouTube channel and showing your love by donating to our tip jar, which is in every description of each episode. And if you guys want to share your own feelings or kailangan nyo ng advice namin because we are experts at this point, you can email us at feelingsxplained@gmail.com.
Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Shit of the week.
Wow, okay.
Wow, I'm gonna go straight up and I wanna rant that I don't have a boyfriend. Malapit na kasi namin pag-usapan yung gusto kong topic talagang pag-usapan namin.
Malapit
So,
na.
gusto ko nang i-premise yon by saying that I don't have a boyfriend and I'm getting pissed.
Sino ba kasi mga kasama mo?
Me,
Oh,
myself, and I.
diba?
So, anong gagawin ko?
Sis, edi get out there. Ang kasama mo, ako, mga bading, oh. Paano ka magkakajowa?
I'm using this episode as a call to action. Well, actually, Pat, happy to report that I'm gonna be out a lot in the next few weeks, I guess.
Oh, yes.
Parang feeling ko naman, but
May
kasi
opportunity to see ka.
opportunities to see other people, but like, to date, it's quite a challenge right now.
Yeah.
But I think maybe I'm just making an excuse. I'm really not trying. Okay, that's the thing. Baka sabihin nila, oh, baka unlikable ko naman kasi talagang demonyita ka. Hindi naman. I don't think so. But like, it's hard to reach me. My address is... Oh my God, can you believe how vocal I am right now? Because remember before, sobrang gatekeeper ko. Na
Oo.
parang ayoko malaman sino dinidate ko, ganyan. Ngayon, simula ngayon, lahat ng manloloko sa akin, ililist ako sa description of each every episode. So,
May picture.
lalo nang walang nag-try to
Oo.
reach me kasi takot na ma-out.
Yeah.
Gusto ko ito na lang yung sinitang week. Ganito na ako Hindi ako desperate. I'm just being honest. Wow.
Sorry na.
Ay!
Okay.
Alam mo kung bakit ko sinabi to?
Bakit?
Kasi nung nag-shit of the week ako about dun sa hindi pa ako binayaran, bigla ako nabayaran. So, sana, may boyfriend ako sa next episode.
Oh, sige. Sige.
What is your shit of the week or small win?
So, I have a shit of the week. So, yung
Okay.
shit of the week ko actually talaga is, naiinis ako sa sarili ko kasi hindi ako nakakapaglagay sa bank account ko.
Akala ko sa Alcansya.
Oo, sa bank account
Okay.
ko. So, parang kanina habang I was doing my business in your bathroom, umiihi ako, sabi ko, iniisip ko na kung paano yung hatian sa mga kailangan kong bayaran. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, wala na naman akong mailalagay, wala naman akong maiuhulog kasi lahat, ibang babayad ko
Bye.
sa mga hiniraman ko for Taylor Swift, yung mga luho ko, kailangan kong bayaran. So, parang, papagod na ako. Bakit ba ako naging adult?
Adult?
Oo, adult. Ayoko na maging
Amen.
adult. Parang gusto ko na lang maging kid na lang ulit.
Yeah, anong tawag doon? Nido 45. No?
Yeah.
Batang may laban.
Yeah.
Pero walang bills.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Feelers, you're in a treat for this episode dahil pag-uusapan namin ang isang universal thing, timing. Bakit ba minsan hindi nag-a-align yung timing? Because minsan may mga tao talagang hindi meant to be for you, or minsan may mga opportunities na kailangan, sige, ipaubaya mo muna sa iba, pero minsan masakit. Dahil
Totoo.
ako talaga ay isang biktima. It's a call to
Oh
action
my God.
for the universe to fix this. Yeah.
You were not marked safe.
Yeah.
Timing. Okay.
Yun.
Sige, na-mention naman na din natin na you were not marked safe.
Yeah.
Sa timing. Ano yung instance na yon na parang you felt like nag-fall short yung timing for you? It can be a person, it can be a job opportunity, It could be like career advancement.
Sa totoo lang, realistic person naman ako with a hint of delulu. Parang kumbaga, kung ito na yung nangyari, ito yung meant to be. Pero alam naman natin na deep inside, di ba hindi? When I thought I was gonna be with somebody, but apparently it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Because I thought it was timing. That's the thing. I mistook it for timing, but I think it was really just compatibility. So, may mga moments kasi
Interesting.
ganun din,
Yeah.
na parang isisisi mo sa timing kasi meron kang nakaset na, ito na yung deadline, ito na yung timeline kung saan for me convenient to. Pero in reality, it's not about the timing. It was about you guys never really meant for each other, or like, it's really not gonna work regardless of the time or not. It just so happens that that particular scenario or instance happened at the time na it wasn't convenient for you or you did not expect.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, but may ganun akong naging experience, and then when it comes to career, I also thought that parang ako, nanghihinayang ako. Kasi akala ko dati, fit ako sa advertising. Akala ko yun yung parang, pwede naman ako dito. And actually, sa totoo lang, naniniwala kong kaya ko din talaga siya.
Yeah.
Parang if I was given the time, or like, if I knew from the very beginning, back when I was in college, na, this is a career trajectory that I can actually pursue, at alam kong fit ako dun, at nagbe-belong ako dun, I could probably do that. Or like, yun yung career path na pwede kong i-take. Pero I did not do it. So for me, parang nanghihinayang ako dun sa oras na, ay, hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-start ngayon. Tsaka hindi naman ako mamamatay kung hindi ko siya gawin.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think those are like some of the examples that I have na feeling ko, sayang sa oras, parang hindi nag-match. And yun nga, hindi nag-align sa timing ko.
Ako sa akin, like, ang distinct na memory na where I feel like timing fell short was parang feeling mo na pag-iwanan ka ng mga bagay.
Yeah.
And it's not exactly like a tangible memory, pero parang siyang vignettes of opportunities. Kasi naniniwala ako sa mga bagay na pag binitawan ko tong bagay na to, sigurado ako na mag-flourish tong bagay na to once na binitawan ko siya. Ganon. So, ang dami kong moments na ganon, even sa work,
Yeah.
na as in yung kutob ko talaga, na pag umalis ako, one example is, I have this one account na malaki talaga yung potential niya. It's just that the budget was not budgeting, alam mo yon. But, the moment it was moved, I knew, may feeling na talaga ako, gagalaw to. And in fact, gumalaw nga siya. So ako, sa akin, that was like one na parang, timing really was not meant for me, for this account. Another one was with a person na it just didn't feel right to be with that person, kasi I was not really the most amazing person.
Yes.
For
the person.
for the other half.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Pero I also feel like din na it wouldn't really go anywhere. So, aminado din ako na meron din akong fault kung bakit hindi siya nag-work. Pero, nandun naman yung feelings. It's just that everything in between was, it was really not clicking.
Yeah.
Yon.
Oo. So, would you say that you're like a victim of timing, or you're the one who's actually ruining the timing for others, I guess? Or for yourself?
Ako, I feel like I'm a victim of timing.
Really?
Yeah, majority of the time. I feel like I know timing when I see it.
Okay.
Ako, feeling ko lang ha.
Okay.
I know timing when I see it.
Na parang ito na yung perfect chance to do this, so gagawin ko na siya.
Oo, ganon. Feeling ko lang yun ha.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
In some cases. Pero, yun nga palagi kasi akong napag-iiwanan. Ang hirap i-unlearn nung idea or yung mentality or the thinking of you will always be a loser or you are used to losing. So, ni-relate mo siya with timing. Gets ba? Am I making sense?
Na parang nothing is working out for you.
Yes.
That's the gist. Yeah.
That's the gist. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know if that's timing or just the lack of confidence in whatever you're
Oneself,
doing.
yeah.
Oo, parang sabi ko kanina, baka minsan, sinisisi lang natin sa timing pero actually we're really the problem. It's like pointing the finger at somebody but then, oh, it's me pala. Alam mo yun?
Gets.
Diba?
Gets.
Which is, I think naman,
Yeah, that's fair.
diba?
That's a fair assumption. I
Yeah.
mean, a fair judgment.
correct, yeah.
Oo.
So yun, alam mo, ang isang timing na na-amaze ako ngayon is when people go viral. Like when they,
Yeah.
diba? Like, that is timing. May magic din siya na parang, hindi mo naman na-expect. Lalo na ngayon sa era of TikTok, na parang lahat
Totoo.
na lang, kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong klaseng content pa yan, maganda, pangit yung quality, whatever. Pag timing mong maging viral ka. Or, I guess, because may quality of like being that, diba?
Yeah.
Of being seen by the world and all that.
Since you're talking about like the good thing about timing.
Yeah.
And you're talking about like the being viral on TikTok and stuff like that. Naisip ko lang na parang timing really takes a lot of work. Diba?
Yep.
Like, Sabrina Carpenter.
I was about to say,
Yeah, Chapel Road.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, diba? They're
Yeah,
not overnight successes. It looks like they're overnight success. Kasi parang, out of nowhere, this blonde kid and this redhead from the Midwest,
yeah,
diba? Just pops out of nowhere. Pero they've been in the industry for years now.
Yeah.
And they were just, lying under the covers of
Correct.
pop culture.
Yeah. And they're so young. Like, younger than us. So, parang,
Oh.
ang galing. Tama yung sinabi mo na it takes a lot of work. I think timing is the factor, for sure. It's kind of like a defining factor. Parang isa siya sa mga recipe for the success that you're about to achieve. Pero at the same time, behind that, yung behind the scenes of what you've done before is like, oh my God, that is what will put you in the map, diba? Parang ganon. Kasi minsan niisip ko yan with feelings na parang, I mean, feeling has been here for like 4 years and shit. And like, diba, parang we continue to do it, ganyan. We take breaks for sure. But of course, we learn from that, diba? Parang we learn from the hinga, oh, okay, ito pala yung nag-work, ganyan. Pero lagi ako naniniwala na hindi pa siguro natin time.
Hindi pa tayo hinog.
Hindi pa. Oo, parang yung timing na gusto natin, baka dadating pa lang siguro siya. For me, may ganun akong nafe-feel. And so, that gives me hope. Actually, that kind of related to the previous episode na parang that's actually what keeps me going din. Na parang, oh, it's fine that I'm not gaining, hindi naman gaining anything, but it's fine that I'm not seeing anything much right now because I know this is the only way to actually get somewhere. Alam mo yun? Yung parang okay lang i-baby steps ko siya kasi I'm doing something good here. Parang gano'n, yung confidence mo lang sa sarili na, oh yeah, you're doing the work. So, yeah.
Gets. Alam mo, dahil dyan sa perspective mo, you gave me like fresh eyes, a new set of eyes with how I look at timing.
Yeah.
Kasi, I mean, now, naniniwala pa din ako na yung iba talagang circumstances sa akin ay timing talaga yun. Hindi talaga,
may mga ganun.
Oo, hindi mo na mabubura sa utak ko yun. Timing talaga siya. But now, with what you said about it's not timing, maybe it's you or other circumstances.
Yep.
Like, it's just like a simple as a coincidence. Alam mo yun? But it makes you think na ilang beses kailangan mangyari ang coincidence or accident for it to be called a timing. Gets ba? Do you get what I'm trying to say?
Can you
if it keeps on happening and happening,
is it timing pa ba yun?
Is it timing?
Or
is it something else?
Okay. That's a pattern. If it keeps on happening, I think that's a pattern. Or like, is it parang, gusto mo ba ng ibang result?
Example. Before sunset, before sunrise, at saka after...
Yung mga boys ko?
No, like the movie. Yung movie tayo.
Yung movie.
Yung, diba,
okay.
It's the same guy.
The films.
It's the same guy that they keep on meeting each other for like spending the day, the night, or whatever.
Yeah.
So, kung 3 times nang nangyari yon, is it really timing or is the universe telling you something?
Okay.
Is it a sign?
Fuck, I don't have the answer.
No, I just, like, what do you think? I just want your input.
My input is yes, listen, I mean, like, there has to be something there for it to happen again and again, di ba? But the thing is, those were premeditated stuff, di ba? Parang, they plan to like, okay, meet tayo Di ba may
Yeah.
ganon? May usapan. May agreement. Hindi siya yung parang timing, ay, nakasalubong ko si Bradley Cooper, nakasalubong ko naman si Bradley ulit kahapon.
Okay, fine.
Hindi ko alam, pero,
Gets.
ano ba yun? Yung parang, I don't know. Pero gets ko yung sinasabi mo. Fuck. Gets.
Kasi ang sa akin, kung ganun, if the universe is telling you something,
Basically, ang gusto mo bang malaman ay kung ano yung sinasabi ni universe. So, ano to universe? Yun ba yun? Yung
Oo.
gusto mo itanong?
oo, kasi hindi ko siya maput sa words.
So, well, you gotta act on it. I don't know. Fuck. Has this happened to me? Because this happens to me, but like, different people. Same fucking thing, but different people.
Oh,
Diba?
same situation with different faces.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like reading a different text with the same font. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Yung ganon, parang hindi na siya timing.
It's like the universe is really telling you something.
Yeah. Oo.
Definitely for you.
Oo, it's
Okay.
like you not learning
Gets.
the fucking thing.
Gets.
Yun.
Have you ever resented timing? Kasi you feel like it took something away from you.
Amen. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung timing to There's nobody to blame, so I'm gonna blame it on timing. I have to blame.
Walang accountability.
I have to blame somebody, so it's gonna be timing that I'm gonna blame. Yeah, he took me my baby. Sino ba? Ano ba? What's the timing though? Do you think? Come
I feel like it's timing. It's his timing.
Is it?
Yeah. Eto, Gian,
Okay.
meron akong isang question na I feel like you have the answer to.
Okay.
Sige. So, we've talked about in previous episodes kasi, diba, opportunities and
Yes.
luck.
Yep.
You remember the red car theory, diba?
Yes.
Okay.
Best-selling episode.
A best-selling episode. So, with the opportunities kasi, when they come knocking to you, sometimes kasi they're unexpected.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you understand. And yung opportunities na yun, minsan, it comes with timing. Pa.
Mm.
So, paano mo malalaman na itong opportunity na to ay para sa'yo talaga? Or is it just another lesson na nagtatago? Like what you said earlier, it's just the same book with a different cover.
Okay. I think these opportunities happens kasi it was meant for you. Kumbaga, in conspiracy na yung timing dun sa being meant. Yung, alam mo yun, yung parang nag-work together yung timing at yung opportunity for it to happen. Or for that opportunity to come knocking at your door. Because like, for me, I mean, I think I can relate it to like my current situation now na parang actually sobrang thankful ako sa timing and like parang ang galing-galing, parang namamangha ako na parang oh my god, the timing is like so fucking almost to the T or perfect in a way na okay, I didn't get it exactly when I instantly wanted it, but it always like all these opportunities, like these work opportunities, projects came at the right time when I needed that. So parang feeling ko nag-in-sync sila. Yung ganon, yung parang hindi lang siya timing It was them orchestrating the whole thing and then boom, opportunity or luck happened. Another example is that, I mean to be specific, I've been unemployed for quite some time, like for a couple of months na. So, sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Tapos, ang timing na nag-work sa akin is that, saktong-sakto, yung isa kong friend, nag-resign din. Hindi sabay yung resignation namin siya recently lang. And then apparently, she's building this thing, like, creating something, and then, eventually, biglang parang dahil available ako, the opportunity presented itself to me. Like, called me and said na parang, hey, do you want this? Blah, 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 blah. Of course, yeah, sure, I'm happy to explore. So, sobrang galing kasi nag-in-sync yung timing namin. We're two very different people.
Yeah.
With a very different timeline, life path. Like, it's so different. Like, what is this thing that brought us together? It's timing. Yun yung masasagot ko na, timing to.
So you believe that timing is kind of like the threads of the universe, connecting one opportunity to one person or one person to another
I
person.
think so, yeah.
It's like a thread.
Invisible thread, yes. If
Yeah.
it's theory, this is the invisible string theory for me. I guess siya yung susi
Gets.
to make those whatever things happen.
Yeah.
Like, remember, sino nag-message sa atin recently? Na parang,
Yeah.
and then, remember our conversation about like growing, expanding.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
oh,
then
yeah.
that came along.
Yeah.
And
That's a great,
That's
that's timing.
fucking timing.
Ako, I feel like naman, it felt like a full circle moment.
Yeah.
Because we had a meeting with them before, and now,
Did?
yeah,
But at the same time, that's timing. See how
Yeah.
how timing works out? Na parang,
yeah.
oh, kasi nga, hindi pa oras dati. And then now, ay baka ngayon, oras na.
Oras na.
Ganun. So, ibig sabihin, may pag-asa pa kami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang timing really is just like, sometimes it's just fucking with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. Again, it's like when it's inconvenient for us, it fucks with us. But when it's convenient, then
Totoo.
thank you.
Diba?
Diba?
Alam mo, ang naaalala ko sa timing na inconvenient, speaking of, at alam ko na experience to ng bawat estudyante na nagko-commute.
LRT.
Yung pag-late ka na, sumakay ka ng jeep, tapos yung jeep nagpagas. Putang ina, yung inis ko talaga.
Oo.
Yung inis ko, yun yung parang, uy, ano ba naman, malilate na ako, may quiz ako eh.
Nagpagas.
Nagpagas, tapos o kaya yung
Nagpupuno.
nagpupuno. Parang, ano ba naman yan? O kaya yung, di ba sa
Pagsinadya.
di ba, yung minsan sa Miriam, mag-tricycle ka coming from the overpass. Sa mga hindi po familiar sa Katipunan, meron kasing tricycle na pumapasok sa loob ng Miriam, campus ng Miriam. Sa Miriam po kami nag-aral.
Oo.
So, may mga certain stickers lang yun. Tapos, pwede kang magsabay ng mga kapwa mong Miriam students. Pero pwede naman din kasi na mag-isa ka na lang, special. Pero minsan, pero minsan, syempre, wala kang kasabay. Tapos, wala ka na masyadong pera. So, mag-aantay ka ng kasabay. So, minsan, ayaw mo mag-jeep kasi ang tagal ng jeep, ang haba ang sikip, tapos traffic sa Ateneo. Sila ang cause ng traffic.
Oo, kasalanan nila lahat.
Diba? So, mag-aantay ka ng kasama mo. Tapos, ang tagal-tagal bago dumating yung parang sa lahat talaga ng araw.
So,
ngayon,
So, ito yung example mo ng timing is fucking.
oo, with me. Ito yun. At saka yung parang time na yung nangangailangan ka talaga ng pera. Tapos, pag may nakita kang ATM, biglang offline.
Oh.
Ay! Parang gusto kong manaksak. Kasi,
Pag nanakaw na lang ako.
diba, parang ano ba naman yan? Ano ba naman? Sa lahat talaga ng araw, meron din yung nanay ko, parang may time bad trip talaga siya. Lahat na lang, it didn't go her way. Wala.
Ano nangyari?
Eh, di na pagalitan kami.
So, timing fuck.
Timing fuck with my family. Fuck with my mom. Grabe.
Again, this is an example na pag wala naman isisi nyo sa timing.
Isisi nyo sa timing.
Slogan.
Yung new slogan.
Pero kasi naman talaga, di ba, parang, lalo na tayo, rationalizing tayo lagi. So, parang kailangan may mag-make sense. At ang oras lang ito lang yung constant eh. Ikaw sisisihin ko.
Oo. Diba? Hindi ko kasalanan na nagpagas yung jeep. Sa dinami-dami ng oras na pwede siya magpagas kung kailan talaga ako sumakay o kung kailan niya gusto magpuno.
Totoo. Oh my God.
God.
Okay. Oh my God. Totoo. Ang funny ng timing.
Ang funny talaga niya.
Pero ikaw, may mga moments, syempre sinisi mo na, di ba?
Oo.
Ano naman yung nagpapasalamat ka na, ay, oh my God, this actually worked out for me?
One is, when I got my visa going to Ireland.
Okay. Oh,
I mean, late ko siyang nalaman. Pero I got to spend my birthday there.
Oh, yeah.
I got, my 21st birthday. Ay, sorry, 22nd birthday. Basta yun. Tapos, doon din ako nag-Christmas. So, alam ko na yung feeling ng Pasko sa ibang bansa. So, happy ako na...
Was it better than...
Tahimik eh.
Talaga?
Tahimik. Oo. Okay. I feel like that was also like timing for me. I got to explore a side of me that I never knew.
Oh, yeah.
So, that was like really good for me. And madami ako natutunan na kung paano mag-travel mag-isa.
Oo.
Yun. Another one is work-related. Merong isang benta na naiyak na lang ako kasi out of nowhere lumabas 'to. Oo, na parang it felt like everything was coming into place na I feel like it was my time to shine.
Yeah.
Now I have my place.
Mm-mm.
Yung ganon.
Yeah.
And lastly, yung nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa timing was nung nagpa-check up kami sa hospital. I remember. That was May 11, 2006. Nagreklamo na ako sa nanay ko na sakit ng tiyan ko.
Okay.
Tapos, sabi ni nanay ko, huwag kang magsisinungaling kasi baka mamaya pag inoperahan ka nila, ihiwain yung tiyan mo. Ayaw mo magaya ka sa kaibigan niya, ganyan. Turns out, may appendicitis na pala ako. Yan. So, pagdating namin doon,
Ano yung enlarge yung appendix?
yeah,
Tama. Yeah.
enlarged na yung appendix.
Oh, appendix. Yeah.
Tapos parang basically, sinasabi na parang kailangan lang ma'am hindi siya sumuka kasi pag sumuka siya delikado. Oo, kasi mag-release yung
Ito yung
poison.
before the surgery.
Before the surgery. So, admitted na ako, alam na nila na may appendicitis. Tas malaki nga talaga siya. Tapos sumuka ko, parang natulog ako, sumuka ko, they moved the surgery. Dapat umaga siya the following day, minove nila nung gabi. So, when I woke up after the recovery, parang sabi, swerte na lang din na sumuka na ako kasi kung inantay pa namin, it would have exploded. So,
My God.
that was really good timing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a life or death
Sitch. Yeah.
Correct. Ako, ang timing na workload for me, did not get pregnant at 21 to 30 to 29.
Amen.
That is a miracle. Hindi naman miracle, but like, that is God saying, I protect you, my child.
Yes.
So
Not
that,
on my watch.
not on my watch! Yes. So I thank God and everybody who, saved me from that.
Yes.
Yon. Tapos, alam mong isa, na, this is such a random thing, pero naalala ko lang na, minsan, pag nanonood ako ng shows, because you know naman how I love watching shows, and I really respect the show na, kumbaga, hindi pwede may ginagawa kong iba, hindi siya pwedeng background, kailangan focus ako, ibibigay ko yung buong 100% ko sa mga shows na pinapanood. Sometimes, I feel like, I don't know if it's actually timing, or just like, I guess may maturity na ako, and I guess openness, to actually appreciate what I'm watching at the time that I'm watching it. Na parang, oh my God, I'm so happy to have watched this, like, kunwari, The Bear. Diba? Na parang, oh my God, yes, it's fucking perfect. I don't know if I just relate myself so much to the characters na parang, oh, sila yung mga passionate emerald.
Yeah.
Parang sumasakto talaga siya eh. So, may mga moments akong ganun sa mga napapanood ko, mga very pop culture things. And then, one significant thing that I think is so defining of my life as of now is my resignation. All of my resignations were
Yeah.
the perfect timing for me. Parang, oh, that had to happen.
Yeah.
I had to do that, or by hook or by crook, kailangan ito na yon, and it has to end. Parang ganun. So yeah, I think timing for that. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
And with that, where do we go from here, Pat?
Ako, I feel like isisi natin sa timing yung mga bagay na hindi natin ma-explain.
Ay,
Charis.
tama. Kaysa sa kapitbahay niyo isisi, di ba
Totoo.
kakapaway pa kayo?
Totoo. Hindi. I mean, kidding aside, timing will always be there. It has been there since the beginning of time. Di ba, father time nga yung tawag nila dati sa...
Kanino?
sa
Kay God?
hindi kay God. I think, yung tatay ng, sa, like, old lores.
Oh.
Yeah, like,
Mythologies?
or something. Time yung parang pinakaunang God or something.
Okay, gets.
Anyway.
Okay.
So, I think, nag-uusap sila ng universe para to make things happen.
Yeah.
Or to not make things happen.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Sometimes it's there to protect you. Sometimes it's there to piss you off. But it will always, always, always happen. Pero, wag nating kakalimutan. Ang tama yung sinabi ni Gian na,
Tama na naman ako.
yes,
Ay,
you're
ay,
amazing. It's
all
the timing. Na let's not mistake timing for something else. We have to realize and internalize ano ba talaga yung problema bago natin isisi sa timing. Kung wala ka na talagang masisi, either ikaw o yung timing, isinin mo na yung timing bago ikaw.
Gago.
Yon.
Take this like a grain of salt, not seriously.
I mean, yung iba, oo.
Okay, iba, oo.
Pero, syempre, let's be accountable. Pero pag wala ka lang talagang masisi, sisi mo ta sa timing. Yun.
Ano lang yun parang tarot reading. Take what resonates, throw all those that you don't. Okay, guys. So, for me, obviously, huwag yan isisi sa timing. I'm gonna counter this bitch. Before, look in the mirror.
Misinformation.
Spreading misinformation like that. No naman, but like, I think it's just fascinating to take into account
Yeah.
what timing has played, like what the role of timing played into our lives. Kasi, big deal din talaga siya eh. Diba? Minsan may mga moments na you'll just utter na, oh my God, thank God. Diba? May mga ganon na parang hindi mo nga ine-expect, dun pa dadating, si madam. Yun. So, I think kailangan lang ng konting laro. Ganon.
Oh, yeah.
Pwede.
Totoo.
Parang minsan sayaw lang yan eh. Kailangan mo lang talagang, groove with the beat of timing's drum.
Yeah.
Diba? Na parang,
Mind trick yourself for the universe.
yeah. Tapos, I guess, ang takeaway ko talaga is that, hindi mo mapipilit ang mga bagay kung hindi talaga para siya sa'yo.
Amen.
It doesn't even have to be timing sometimes. Like, it's not that. It just isn't meant to be. Please. Wow. And I am convincing myself to believe that as well because I will always have my only exception.
Akala ko pa naman, moment of growth na to, tapos biglang,
Naisingit na naman.
moment of...
Ito na naman may vulnerable self, Charing. Okay, ito na ako. This has been G.
And this has been Pat. Bye!